Hi, this is Sajid here from Pakistan. I'm working on business platform Forsage. Forsage is a real authentic business platform, and Forsage in launching program Ambassador program. Ambassador program is very well. Ambassador program and task, daily task, weekly task, and monthly task. Um, Same salary system, $100. No, when you are earn not for earn in the community in a network marketing system and business lose, but in this ambassador program is the very well program and completely normally and easy working. You know that Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, if Telegram, and this hour. You know, working on this, the your usage in the my phone, usage in my and on the time spent it in the Facebook, Twitter, Insta, YouTube, but Forsage for me and my friends and my team and my community systems in launching in the ambassador. Ambassador is the very well. Thank you for Forsage and thank you for Forsage developers. Thank you, Mr. Eddie. Thank you so much.